open Thursday back below the 109.99 formation and ease back ever so slightly. If we close below 109.99 today, that does maintain 79.09 as a likely 3 to 5 week or sooner objective. Technically speaking, below 109.99, 79.09 expected. And if we happen to close today on the daily chart, we do have 110.01 and yesterday's high of 110.86. That actually has upward pivot point quality. So you can sell 110.01, expecting 97.50 day traders perhaps, and 3 to 5 week swing traders, maybe 1 to 2 week swing traders back to 79.09. And that covers the downside really. On the way down, we do have 97.50 today, can contain session weakness. If we close below 97.50, I think you can expect by the end of next week, 79.09. I think it's about as simple as that. Now, that could take better than a full week of trade. It could be more than 3 to 5 days. It could be 1 to 2 weeks. But if we close today below 97.50, it is playing the short side down to 79.09, below 109.99. The upside, pushing through 110.01, 110.86, does allow 120.65 today. That is a descending channel top, several months in the making. That is about it for the day. If we happen to push through 110.86, 120.65, that's a pretty solid day trade, 10-point move roughly, above 110.01 to 110.86. But if we close above 110.86, I do have a buy signal then on the weekly chart at 132.14, but it really is the daily chart we're following at 129.80. So this could be by the end of next week, could take the better part of 2 weeks. But if we close today above 110.86, that puts us more firmly in the bullish column as we continue through next week, narrowing 127.72 to 129.80 area, likely within 1 to 2 weeks. And that could be within a matter of several days. If we happen to close above 120.65 today, we should see this by the middle of next week. If we close today above 110.86, I see no good reason to be short Nvda. I think the upper 120s are likely within a week or two. That is your next short play to the downside. There's also the next buy signal above 129.80 that I think we have a serious buy signal. I would expect at least 153.13 within 2 to 3 weeks and on to new highs within a couple of months of closing above 129.80. Until then, holding below 110.01, I see no good reason to be long Nvidia. I think you want to play the short side for the next day or two back to 97.50 and for the next several weeks to 79.09.
Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily Triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.